Hi, my name is Lukáš and today I will show you how you can easily create UI in NetBeans JavaFX Composer. So first we need to create new project. We have two options, Java Desktop Business Application and Java Mobile Business Application. I will let all the settings on default. So I will also copy some resources to the application, so I will paste the fxz file with NetBeans logo, and it will immediately appear in the palette, so I can drag and drop it into my design. Now I will create some states. So there is only master state at the beginning, and I will create also some init state of my UI. In the master state that is shared by all the other states, I will drag and drop some other components like two buttons for rotating and zooming of the NetBeans ID logo. So let's rename the buttons. One will be zoom in and the other one will be rotate. Now I will create some other states for the rotated and zoomed state of my UI. So in the rotated state I don't need the zoom in button, and the rotate button will change to back. Something similar in the zoom state. I will rename the button to zoom out and disable the rotate button. Now I will change the logo so it should be zoomed. So I will zoom it a little bit. And in the rotated state I need to change the orientation of the logo, so let's use 180 degrees. But I don't want to change it immediately, so you can specify now customize some animation like ease both. You could use some animation for the zooming as well. So let's return to the setting auto zoom, and we have to set it twice for X and Y. I will set up some animations for the init state as well to get out from the rotated and zoom state with nice animations. So when I'm changing the state, you can see how the UI is changing as well. The last thing that we need is to define some actions for the buttons. So let's generate some code, and we need to specify to what state we would like to move when the button is pressed. So let's do it for all the buttons and set up in init state we will move to the either zoomed, rotated state, and from the zoomed state we will return to init, and the same for the rotated state. So it seems that our application is finished and we can run it. So here it is. Let's try the buttons. Zoom in, zoom out, rotate, and back. So that was the easiest part of the NetBeans JavaFX Composer. Enjoy it.